Hello, everyone. We're going to continue with math and coding. We're going to be coding geometrical shapes, and we're going to read what we see. We're going to just do a little bit of reading to help us with our coding. Now, here we have what's called block coding, and underneath the block coding, you're going to see the actual other code, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. But anyway, when we see the when run block, that means when the program runs, this avatar is going to move around. Okay. And basically, it wants us to draw a square below the triangle. All right. So we have our triangle, but we must draw a square underneath that. So, should we go left? Should we go right? Should we go forward? Should we go back? And what you do is you take a look at the arrows and you see how it is moving. Now, from this point to this point is one block, or it's like a grid, but it's divided. So we want to take our arrow here, and because it matches, as you can see, and we're going to place it here. So we have 1, 2. So you're going to put 2 blocks here. All right, so let's run the program so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see, it went 2. All right, so we're going to reset, and then you want your blocks to move right. You want to go down. All right, so this is our down block, and same thing, 1, 2. All right, so we'll put 2 there. All right, so it's getting there. All right, so reset your program. All right, so now we have here 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we want to go toward the left. So you'll pick up this block here, and once again, there are 2 block spaces here, so we will select 2. And then to complete it, 1, 2, we need to go up or north. All right, so this is divided into north, south, east, and west. So which is our cardinal points. So let's run the program now and see what happens. All right, so now we're going to go to, and then it says you just wrote 8 lines of code, all time total 16 lines of code. And this is what the code looks like. All right, so let's go to continue. All right, now the next one says jump and draw a square next to the house. All right, so we have our house, but now it wants our little avatar to jump. So should we jump left or should we jump right? In this case, should we jump west or should we jump east? And it tells you right here that we should go west. All right, so when we jump over, once again, you have 1 block here and another block here. So we're going to put this here. We're going to jump over. But are we going to jump or should we just move over? All right, so let's jump, and then let's just take another block and just move over. Let's see what happens when we do that. That works. All right, so I'm going to stop right here, and I want you all to finish this, okay? All right.